Hello, 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 everybody! My name is Psychic, and welcome back to another stream. I am currently alone. All my friends are late. So when they join, make sure to make fun of them for it. But hello, I'm actually gonna, I guess I should explain a bit what we're doing today. So, yes, I have wanted to make a game, like a video game, for a long time. And I thought, you know what? If I'm gonna do it, I could make it fun. I could work on it live, and then have my audience give suggestions for stuff. So that's what we're actually gonna be doing today. It's gonna be a pretty chill stream, I will admit. Talking to chat, working on this thing. Hopefully my friends will join. They should join. They said they would join. But yeah, so I'm gonna hop over here. And let me. I don't have anything pulled up. Graps, welcome to the stream. Okay, let me, I remember wanting to make a game once. Well, I'm gonna actually do it. Okay. So, I have a bit done, but let me first explain to you what the plan is. Hello, Nixie. Making Slime Rancher 3. I'm not that good at game development. I'll tell. Okay, so, okay, basically, let me actually have like a. Okay. Okay, so, chat. I tried to make custom models for a Mario Kart game I wanted to make. Oh, that's cool. So basically, here's what the game's gonna be. Here's what the game is. So, we're gonna have a world, okay? And it's gonna be divided into 25 screens. 2, 3, 4. Ignore my bad drawing. Okay, basically each screen is like a little thing. If you're gonna be walking around or whatever, and then when you cross a thing, the screen's gonna go from just this screen to this screen. So it's gonna be like those old Zelda games, like, you know, the first Zelda where like you walk to the edge of the screen and it scrolls. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like a little RPG adventure game, but not like turn-based RPG. And then like when you get to the bottom, if you go down, it loops back up to the top. So it's like a whoop kind of thing. So that's like the kind of thing where it's like basically like you walk around, you gotta solve puzzles, and you gotta fight enemies. So like with enemies, it's like, oh, let's say like I'm this little box, and there's an enemy. Enemy is circle. Okay, are you guys following so far? What is your programming skills? I have some programming skills, not a lot, but okay. So these guys are just gonna be randomly walking around wherever. But then, if you bump into an enemy, you take you lose 1 HP, but you gain some EXP. And then when you hit like 20 or something, you level up. And when you level up, if you hit a lower level enemy, you lose 0 HP, but you also gain no XP. And you gotta instead, you're gonna want to try to get a bigger enemy. It's like that kind of thing, where you slowly level up, and then you just be able to like just steamroll everything else. So let me show you what I actually have so far as a world. Basically, let me pull this up. Now that you kind of have a basic understanding, this is what I have so far. So you're gonna be a little, and obviously like, these are not the graphics I will be using in the action. This is awful. I will fully admit this is awful. So each one of these is going to be one screen, each one of these. And basically, you're going to start to go through this world. And so this world is going to be based on seasons, where each one is a different season. And that's something I think is cool. So like basically when you get to the end, you're going to loop back, you're going to loop here. So that's what this is. Now, what I'm going to be working on today is figuring out basically the order of events for this game, because like I have this stuff, you know, I guess like I have a world map, but there's nothing in it. That's the thing. There's nothing in it. Bro accidentally made a man with glasses and nose. This reminds me of FIFA 2. I've never played that game. But yeah, let me switch back over. So basically, what I'm going to be working on is just figuring out the order of events. I never knew the Christmas movie was. I just wanted to put an island in the middle, and so I was like, what can I do? A circle is boring. I'll make it a moon. So why not? Okay, so basically, you guys can help me figure out order events. Then I'm gonna try to program it. I don't know how well that's gonna go. I will be completely honest. But okay, so let's say, okay. Oh, I should mention I'm gonna have like 4 worlds or something, and each world's gonna have like an above ground, which you just saw, and like an underground section. So there's like 2 levels to each world, basically, that you can go in between. So let's say, up here we have the start of the game, and down here we have World 2. What kind of puzzles do we put to go from here to here? Because that's what I haven't figured out yet. I think this game should have slimes in it personally. Okay, we'll make the first enemy will be a slime enemy. Does that work for you, Nixie? And we'll make it a pink slime. How about that? As a little reference to you. Does that work? Okay, I think so. First off, we're gonna need a tutorial thing. So we're gonna need. So basically, one of the main things in this game is you're gonna go around. You're gonna pick up items. So we need a tutorial on picking up items. So let's have the starting place have. Let's do. I don't know why I'm making squares so big. I don't know how many things I'm gonna add. So let's have tutorial item. Tutorial item. And then this is personally okay. And then we're gonna need a chance to use the item. So tutorial on using the item. On using item. Okay. And that should unlock the path to the rest of the game, I think. Because, like, if you... I feel like that should be like, oh, like, you can't progress the game unless you know how to use the basic mechanics. Right? That seems reasonable, right? So that would, like... That unlocks... I guess unlocks... combat, maybe? Like, you can move around and do other stuff, but this unlocks combat, which is the main thing of the game, which you need to progress. Well, it's like, you're good at drawing letters, it's the hardest thing to do. I am not good at this. Do not patronize me. Okay. So once this happens, then, like, I guess, like, technically, like, you could ignore, that means, like, you could walk around a bit while ignoring this, but you wouldn't be able to level up anything. So... let's do this. Let's grab this and move it. Where's my... there it is. Alright. I'm going to steal something from a game I really like. Because you know what? I'm taking inspiration. So we're gonna... I mean, this whole thing is basically inspiration. So let's do this. So, totally using items. Actually, no, I should leave this here. Leave this here. And then you can either... losing this. There we go. You can either get weapon. Let's just say get weapon. There we go. Or you can ignore weapon. Oh. There we go. So this means so for this it's we can do so this you can attack and get XP. If you ignore the weapon, you will bounce off enemies. They won't attack you, but you won't attack them. But, like, you're gonna need to get the weapon eventually, because there is gonna be, like, okay, let's just come out here. World 2, we're gonna need a boss. So, they're gonna need to get the weapon eventually. But you know what? If they want to play through the game a bit without it, they can. Let's just do that. I can see the chat now. Hey, Jen! Welcome! Okay, so I guess we can go here. Okay, so now we're gonna need. Okay, so now that we got like that, this is like the starting stuff. Can I have like I'll get like a red line. Oh, I don't know what happened there, but we're gonna get a red line. So this is all tutorial stuff. So now it's just like after this point, you can ignore. You can do this stuff. That's just yeah. Okay, so what do we need? Let's see here. If the game is walking around areas and getting stuff, we should probably have some different tools to interact with the world. Actually, wait. Actually, we can work backwards a bit. So let's say to unlock the boss. You should. Let's see here. It's based off. I have the world based off seasons. So let's just say that you need 4 MacGuffins. 4 MacGuffins. And from each area. So, hello. I uploaded something today. Oh yeah, you did, didn't you, Jen? So we need 4 MacGuffins from each area because there's like the 4 seasons. It's the thing. So so I guess we could have like. So okay. We want each area to have something. So we're gonna have to. I guess we're gonna have to work on that. Like what the progress of each area is. Although I guess that'll be up here. Like you'll get one, then another, then another, then another. I should explain that for the actual. So basically, my plan for the overworld of the first one is like 4 corners is 4 seasons, and then underneath it's like a kind of like a sand kind of a sandy desert underground. Hey, Vault. Hold on, let me move you over. We're doing big brain game planning right now. Jen's here too!
Hi! Jen. Hello.
Hi, Jen.
Oh.
I didn't think you were going to join today. Here, I guess
Can you zoom in on the purple part of that map? I used to see what's going on there.
Oh, I don't have okay, I should probably show you what's actually, I'm actually working on currently. Let me...
Is that MV or is that MV?
That's MV.
Okay.
That's the one you told me to get.
Yeah.
Right now I'm just working on planning out 4 McMuffins. No, we need 4 MacGuffins.
Right, I was listening to you.
4 MacGuffins to unlock the boss to get to World 2. So, let's see here. Let's see here. If you're... Okay. I'm trying to think. So, basically, getting these 4 things is going to be the main purpose of exploring this first world. Everything else is just getting to that. So... we should probably get some stuff that'll help.
So, you're making this as practice, right?
Yeah.
It would probably be super easy to have the 4 MacGuffins be like 4 buttons.
Right. I
so you have to press.
We could do that, or it could be like items like you pick up and then you put it somewhere. Like a...
That's true. You could do that too.
I imagine like a room of like temples that's like a temple, or it's like, oh, this, like, you put the spring MacGuffin on this pedestal and it glows pink or whatever, and then they put the fall one on this one and it glows orange.
You can do that. I need to get up. My legs are starting to fall asleep.
I want each world to have like some sort of item that allows you like to like do something you weren't able to do before. So like the game I'm basing this off of, that I'm like it's more like copy my homework, don't make it too obvious. In the first world, they have like this, on the overworld, they have like sand areas, but you're not able to walk on the sand. You're going to fall through to the ruins, but you get like an item that lets you walk on sand. So like, I want something like that where it's like, it changes how you move around the world just a little bit, but I don't want it to be derivative. So I'm kind of wondering but I want each world to have like something that allows you to go back and do stuff you weren't able to do before. I just need to figure out what I'm doing in this one. So I'm thinking maybe, I don't know.
Honestly, you could look to the old 2D Zeldas for inspiration, because that sounds a lot like the way those work.
Yeah, it is. It is taking a lot of inspiration on old 2D Zelda. They're like, yeah, I'm taking a lot of inspiration from that kind of genre.
Something that you might want to like look into kind of how it works would be Chip's Challenge.
Chip's Challenge. I could.
Very, very old, like in Amiga game. Or like really old DOS game.
Okay.
You would walk over, like, let's say slippers.
Hmm.
And then now that your inventory, you can swim through water.
Yeah, it's like gonna be like stuff like that.
Super, super simple.
I think in a later world, I'll let the player get something that allows them to walk across water. Cause but until then, it's gonna be
okay. Nixie, a MacGuffin is just like an item that like you're. Nixie, a MacGuffin's like an item you're trying to get. Like, think like the MCU, the MacGuffins are the Infinity Stone.
Or like in Paper Mario, the MacGuffin is the Crystal Stars. I'm trying to think of other games.
Yeah, stuff like that.
In Zelda, it's the temples, the medallions in Ocarina of Time, or the gemstones, whatever section of the game you're in. It's
or like the Sage Powers and Tears of the Kingdom.
Exactly, those are like MacGuffins. Okay.
Basically, just like obligatory items that you're required to get for.
Let's see here.
A reason.
I see. Like like I'm trying to not be so derivative of the games I'm basing it. Like I don't want to like do it like one to one. You know?
No, Nixie, you're not.
Nixie, you're not a MacGuffin.
Not a MacGuffin.
Let's see here.
Okay.
Okay. Let me.
Oh, hi, baby. Xsychic is streaming.
There's gonna be like
Making a game.
Let's say like an item you can get. This is a little bit derivative, but let's just say an item you can get is an axe, because there's gonna be a lot of forest areas. So it's like, oh, if you find like a tree, you can chop it down and move a path.
So like. Okay.
So it's like, oh, if I have this item, I can use it. I can open up a thing and also get like a piece of wood to use for a different puzzle.
It would be interesting if the trees you can chop are a slightly different color than the trees that you can't chop down. That way they're like visually distinct.
Right. One thing I am just gonna straight up take from the game that I'm inspiring this off of is trees that like basically it's like it's hard to explain. There's like these trees where it's like the actual like log of the tree is missing, and you can just like walk right under the leaves. So like if I quick glance, it looks like it's a tree, but you could walk right through it. So I think that's pretty cool. But like yeah, we can also do that where it's like a slightly different color tree means you can cut it down.
You can do that easily by creating an event that.
Or just make like a tile that has like the ground with the tree without the stump, and just make it like walkable. Apparently Nixie's new challenge is becoming a tree. So if we have the axe, you can like use this to cut trees. Which opens a path and also gets you like a wooden log. I'll just put log. Okay. Maybe like in each world we can get like a tool that'll help with something. But anyway, so you can you move on from that. You're just like exploring the world. Eventually here you can find. Let's see. Let me look at the map. So I don't know why, but this is wrong on my map. Let me just quickly. Okay, so you start in the summer section.
I can't.
Right. I
see the map.
Okay. Here, let me switch screens again. Here we go.
Beautiful.
No, I'm gonna make a second window capture. So I don't have to switch the window capture back and forth. And I can just switch between what people are seeing. Let me move this down so it's not covering everybody. Okay. So you're gonna start in like this section, and there's also like an underground section that I haven't done anything at all with. So you start here. You can like find like an axe or something. I guess like maybe we can do like a small little. Okay, if I switch back to this. Let's say there's like a small thing where it's like, oh, collect 3 things scattered around to open like a path to the spring section. Let's say that. Open.
Okay, Psychic, what's the purple section?
That's supposed to be spring. There was no pink thing I could find.
Okay, do you see the tile that's next to what you've been using?
The tile next would have
It's
been
the purple section. It's like a tiny little spot of purple. Look at the tile set up there. Create a square of that.
So I should just.
So you don't have to have those little things all over.
I'm sorry.
You're okay. It's just bugging me.
I don't know. I'm doing my best.
I know that's why.
Okay.
You're doing pretty well for your first time messing around with the program.
Okay, open path to spring. So this is like a little tutorial on like getting multiple things for one purpose. I think like showing that you can get multiple like the same item for one thing. So, throughout this, let's say throughout like this level, you have to get four logs, and we'll use it to make a bridge later. So it's like, but like there's 2 separate things you have to collect. Or I guess 3 in this world. Okay, so you're walking around. Okay, so once here, it's like, oh, you can now go to the other areas easily. Go to other areas. And we'll just say when you get to the other areas, you can find single room puzzles that will allow you to get MacGuffins. Like I remember where I put it, but I had like an image a while ago where it's like each they're like the underground is like these like single area rooms you can go into that'll allow you to find like stuff. like stuff to use later or in this world or whatever. Let's say eventually you're gonna eventually use the bridge thing, and then we will come down here and we will give something to help with the movement, like we said earlier. Give movement. And then they'll be able to get the 4 MacGuffins, which will get to the boss, which will get to the world. Okay. That's the plan. I think that makes sense. Let me quickly do something real quick. Let me see if I can find the image I had before, because I actually did plan some of this out. I didn't just hop in here without a plan. I just wish I knew what I saved it as. Probably not the smartest thing I've ever done. I will be completely honest. But yeah, so I just need to know how to implement. I guess like I should probably work on implementing items. I think that's what I should probably work on. I'll do one quick look. See if I can find the thing I was looking for. But I don't know if I am going to be able to. Because I could be stupid. But you'll never know, chat. You'll never know. Unless you do already know. Yeah, I'm not seeing it, so... Dang, did I not save it? That was pretty stupid of me, I will be completely honest. Unless it's in quick access. I can just find it. No. Okay. Well, anyway. So, now that we're looking here at this... Okay. Jen, do you know how to make items? Because I don't. I have no idea where to start with this.
There are plugins. So, to change the, in MV, you would need a plugin, or you would need to write a plugin. The one I just posted in the VC, channel.
Let's look here.
There is a post.
Oh. Zelda plugins. Nice.
That'll probably give you the closest thing you can get just off of plugins to what you're looking for, and then you can tweak it from there.
Alpha ABS, is that what I'm looking for? That's like one of the first things I see.
Looks like Mog Hunter's Chrono ABS is what you're looking for.
Okay.
Let me grab more and post for you.
I see it. Okay. So I just like search that.
There you
up. Go. Oh. Okay. Then I should click this probably to download it. Oh, nope, not that.
Hold on, I'm trying to find the what?
Download.
There we go. It looks someone's deleted the site.
That's what I got too. I didn't know if I was looking at the wrong thing.
Let me see if I can find a mirror. Trying to see if I can find a mirror of the site.
It's funny because like this is legitimately what programming games is actually like. It's just sitting and constantly looking up stuff like, oh, is this gonna work? Nope, is this gonna work?
What in the actual world is this?
I guess while we're looking at that, I'll just trying to think of like. So let's say that. Can I zoom in? How do I zoom in? Here we go.
Hey, Jenny.
Hi.
I have so far your day.
Oh.
I haven't. I have barely been doing actual work as much as just driving.
Hey, Scratch.
Let's say there's a thing.
Much
find a plugin that will allow him to change the inventory system.
Yeah, like okay, so like there's like let's say like in this area there's 3 things to collect, and you
Alpha email. Hold on.
Here and you make a bridge there.
Alpha ABS might be your best bet right now.
Okay.
Because it looks like Chrono ABS is a lost media. That's depressing. That was really cool looking.
Rats. Okay. Download Alpha ABS build 1232 plugin only. That should work, right? Remember, chat.
And
it's
there
always good to download links when you don't know where they come from.
Yeah. Most links on the RPG Maker website are pretty.
Right.
be
I
safe.
gotta be careful
If
when
you get
doing
caught
this.
putting this link on the website, they will smite you out of existence on the website if they catch you posting a malicious link.
I just gotta be careful because I don't want to show my files live. So
my old account got banned out of existence because they caught me using a non-legit version way back in like 2014, 2015.
For shame, Jen. For shame. For absolute shame.
Look, I was like 14, 15.
Right, how do I put files in again?
Okay. Go to your plugins. Go to your plugins.
Plugin. Oh, wrong.
I think it should be under game. It's either under game or under tools.
Plugin manager.
Plugin manager. Alright, you gotta go to your files. It should be under documents, in your documents folder, and games. And then find your game.
Document.
Go to
JS.
go to the JS folder. And then paste the folder. Make sure that it's the JS file.
I posted the JS file.
Okay, now go to your plugins manager and
I should probably reset it, right?
double click on a blank space. Yeah.
Plugin manager. Okay. And
add
I don't see it. I messed up.
everything that you want to. I believe you don't see it. Okay, did you was it a JavaScript file
Yes.
that you posted in the plugins, or did you just post the...
You're cutting out a little bit, but I posted just the JS file. Should I have done the whole folder?
Okay. You may need to... No. What all was in the folder? Question.
There is a data folder, an image folder, a JS folder, and a readme.txt, which I did not read.
Okay, you need to paste the images from the image folder. To paste the images from the image folder into the image folder of your project. And then do that for every other folder. So from the image folder into your images, the data from from there into your data folder. Basically, take everything within those folders and paste them into corresponding folders. Don't paste the folders, paste the stuff within the folders.
Oh, I already messed up one of them.
It's a mess.
I pasted the folder. Or I pasted the folder content in the folder.
That's okay. As long as... Honestly, you could just paste everything that into your folder, because I don't think you've added anything custom aside from like the plugins folder.
No, I haven't. I tried doing.
And you need to save, leave, and come back.
I tried save, leave, and come back. Okay. I tried getting a map scroll plugin, but it did not work. It broke like when because like it's at the wrong like it doesn't like match up to what my screen sizes is. So like at one point when I cross at the bottom and it like scrolls back to the top of the screen, it goes back and forth while it tries to readjust. It's like what the heck are you doing? What the heck are you doing? So okay.
Scraps, we're using RPG Maker MV to make the game.
I still don't see it.
Oh my gosh. I'm thinking. Why wouldn't it be there? I'm thinking.
Is it because I'm stupid? Yes.
You could have done. Did you figure it out? Or did you,
No, I haven't yet.
Okay, let me do this myself. Give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna go to downloads.
A classic. I want to try Unity, but my laptop couldn't handle it. Fair enough. Laptops aren't the best in general.
Okay, let me look at this README.
Oh, wait, hold on, wait. I might be stupid. Let me try this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm stupid!
Oh, what did you do?
I put it in the JS folder and not the plugins folder, which is inside the JS folder.
Oh, Psychic! Yes!
Why?
There it is, Alpha ABS build.
Okay, I did. There we go. And, okay. It's in. Apply. Okay. That didn't do anything. I don't see any changes. What did that do, Jen?
Okay, go do a playtest build of the game and see if anything breaks.
Okay. Chat,
Because if it can't...
get ready for something very loud, chat. I'm sorry about this.
It gets very, very loud for no reason.
Oh, failed to load.
Yep, see, that's because you didn't add the images.
But I did. But I did added the images.
And it's trying to read images from...
If I go to Project 1, images, the image folders they gave me, I put in the image folder. Like,
did you put the image folder, or did you take all the files from within and put it in the image folder?
Just the folders.
So you...
Did I? I don't see them in there,
you need to take everything out of those folders.
Wait, did I even move them in there? Hold on, wait. There. That's weird. Well, let me try it now.
Okay. There should be like an AABS folder within your image folder.
Yeah. Alright. I'm trying. I saved and reloaded it, so hopefully this works. So let's see. Oh. 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 It's so loud! Oh, but that worked. Never mind.
I'm so glad I can't hear it. I'm so glad I can't hear it.
Oh,
I can't even see it.
That's a lot of text popping up on my screen. Fine. Okay. I guess you're right, Jen.
Okay. So, can you screen share that for me, please? Because I can't help you if I can't see.
So
Troubleshooting.
So I have to take all the files in here and move them just to the image folder, like just alone. Okay. What about those folders inside the AB?
So the corresponding folders. Okay, so what I want you to do, I want to make sure this isn't going to break anything, though. Make like a copy of your entire game folder. Just duplicate your entire game folder, and then
okay.
Re-extract everything. Copy it. Copy everything within that within the like extracted folder. Go into your game folder and hit paste, and when it says
here,
do you want to replace? Hit yes.
Can I stream my files to you?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have your
yes. Okay. So Project 1.
Go to your downloads.
Downloads.
Where did you download the original file?
The image files I put in here. Like there's the ABS thing, and then there's
from the ABS.
was the other one?
I need the whole thing.
Hold on, wait.
Go to where you downloaded the whole thing.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
Now go to Alpha ABS Public.
Hello?
Copy everything. Hello. Copy everything.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier.
Okay, I copied it.
Go back to your file and paste it. Everything should work now.
Place file in
I don't know why it Yep, there you go. Alright. Now try to run your game.
Okay. This better work.
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna save the project. Close it. I'll relaunch it. Welcome to game developing, everybody. By the way, this is
game developing is 90% trial and error, and 10% debugging.
So loud. It's so loud. Oh, I am in a white void and I can't move.
Where does concepting come in?
Oh god, it's the screen scrolling.
Oh no!
Concepting is like you do it as you go, man.
Can you show
Can you see what I'm?
me your screen, Psychic? Because I can't.
Have you ever made a game, Jen?
Yes. Okay, I need you to help.
Are you moving? I'm in a white void.
What kind
It
of
was
game was
an
it?
RPG Maker game. I've also made a really, really bad broken like FNAF game.
Oh, I found something.
Where are you?
You're
in the winter area.
I'm in the winter area. Oh, that's poison. Oh, I made the entire ground poison. Okay. What's something?
You're
I
taking
can't-
poison damage.
Okay, wait. So if I go up, I should hit fall, right?
Are you gonna publish this game, Psychic?
Eventually.
You're up in the
Oh, it's not scrolling up. It's not like doing the loop vertically.
The
Is it gonna
corner,
cost
actually.
money?
Yeah, okay, so... Okay, at least I know where I am. At least I know what happened. I can't see this, but okay, I can move around at least.
How long have you spent? How long have you spent on this game?
Like, maybe an hour.
Ooh. How
Alright, let me close out of this real quick. Okay, let me...
I love water for no reason.
how familiar are you with RPG Maker?
Very little. Okay, can I, like, take you in...
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, go-
oh. Okay. Let's move... Okay.
Go to the event editor and grab your character and drag him down.
Yeah, there we
There
go.
you
Okay. Okay. Also, let me move these monsters onto actual land for once.
Okay, now go back to your plugin.
Okay.
Go to the plugin editor and read
Okay, instructions.
under alpha
Reading.
ABS build.
Ew, reading.
Wait, where?
It should be on the side for parameters. It should tell you how to utilize the blah 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 the plugin. There should be like some mild to moderate
Okay, I think I see it.
documentation on how it works. And if there isn't, then it's a bad build.
Okay, I think I see it. I think it's the stuff.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to do all this. Oh, there's so much. There's so much. Okay. Show UI in game.
You mean-
True.
Yes.
Okay. How do I actually see that though? That's the thing.
So once you like you'll be able to see the UI, but you won't be able to see the UI while you're doing your little map editing.
Right. Okay. So
Ooh, it's flashing so fast. Many HP bars.
what are you seeing? I don't know what you're seeing. I don't.
Every once in a
Oh, Jen, what
while, the little
is
pop
going-
up on screen and then leave.
What is going on with your mic today? Oh gosh, what is happening with my mouse?
No, I'm not the only one
Oh, there she goes again.
that's having that issue. Every once in a while, you'll just cut out. Hi.
That's listen, no one else is cutting out but you, Jen.
No, I think it's on your end, Psychic, because Jen's not cutting out for me.
What the heck? Well, I guess I am back at my house, and I know my mom and dad might also be using the Wi-Fi. Well, oh my gosh, I've been streaming for 50 minutes, and we've only been. All right. Anyway,
That's game dev for you.
okay. How do I freaking use the UI? Like, how do I
Okay.
actually see that in game?
You said that you turned on C. Test play the game. See if it's there. And then screen share it so I can see it as well.
Who's ready for a loud jump scare? There it is. Okay.
Ah!
Oh gosh, why is my
Oh
screen
no! What's going on?
Screen scroll! Screen scroll! I'm glad chat gets this. Okay, no UI, nothing happened.
You squashed me. Nothing happened. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, and I can't walk on a bridge. Okay, that's perfect. That's great. Can I go up? Just a little bit. This is a mess. It's not even at the right screen size. Like, it's whatever. Yeah, okay. That's not working.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So we're back.
Time to troubleshoot. Let me open up the website and see how to turn it on.
Maybe I should read the text that says read me.
Yeah. Download install program.
Oh, it doesn't do anything.
Not a fan of reading.
Reading
It
is
doesn't,
for
it doesn't give me
nerds.
instructions. Okay.
Reading is for fucking nerds. Imagine reading books. Psychic.
Imagine reading books, yeah. Who would ever do that? Okay.
Oh, did you turn on the mod? Did you turn on the plugin? Is the plugin set to on?
Yeah, status is on.
Can I see it be set to on?
Wow, absolutely no trust in me? Okay, fine.
Tech support Jin.
Okay. You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna just straight up just share my entire first screen so I don't have to constantly be switching things around. Okay.
Okay. Okay, it is set to on.
See, I told
All right.
you!
I just wanted to make sure.
Okay. Okay. So, all this stuff is, like, set to true and stuff, but I don't know how to, like, actually see it, you know?
Okay, go to the map and go to the map settings.
Map settings, okay.
So go to the
Map.
click on the map. No. Click on the map in the map list. When you can change your tile set type. Down. That a little bit more. There you go, right there.
Okay.
Right click on it. Left click on it.
Okay.
Go to edit. Go down to notes. And type in this. I'm posting in the VC text. Type in that.
Okay. What next?
Okay, now go to okay. No! Psychic! Bad!
I was typing in what you were saying. Just typing in everything you were saying. Okay, there we go.
Okay, now try it. Now try it.
So, play game.
Play game.
Oh, there actually is stuff on
Ta-da!
the screen. Okay.
There you go. Still can't walk on the bridge.
So, can't walk on the
Squash.
bridge. Okay.
So now you can jump. No.
Alright. Is there a way to, like,
No.
remove
Attack.
some of the
Can you
stuff?
attack? Doesn't do anything.
No. Oh, where am I?
Yes. Oh, you accidentally.
Oh, there I am. I found it. Okay, I found
You're up there
myself.
now. You're down in the corner.
Okay, so...
He found himself.
So...
You can probably remove most of that in
Right, okay. So let's do...
the
Plugin manager, yeah. Okay. So UI in game, yes. Let's...
show player many HP bars. So you've removed all your other players, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just turn this off. Show mini HP bars. Show player pop-up. Use...
Never. Show player pop-ups, net to false.
Use...
You set UI buttons to false.
Wait, UI... It's to false, okay.
Scroll
I don't
down.
need any targets, so I don't need that, right?
Yeah.
Has anyone been reading chat? I've been reading chat.
Alright,
Sorry.
let's see what that did.
For some reason, like it pops up a whole plugin window that just isn't being shared on screen. Okay, so let's...
Okay, yeah, so,
Here, let's...
he has been sharing, his, like, whole screen to me, so I can help him with, like, files. Ah, it's so loud!
It is so loud. Okay.
Okay, that got rid of the little buttons.
Oh. I can only...
So, we have that.
Uh-oh. S is now just jump in the direction I'm facing.
That's so cute, though.
Oh wait, I'm just using arrow keys anyway. Oh.
You didn't do a little hop. That's so cute. Can you share your screen to the stream? I need them to see this.
Sure. Here, let me move this here. Uh-oh, it's rotating. It's rotating. It's rotating. I can't stop
Oh,
it.
no.
I can't stop it rotating. It's now infinitely rotating.
Turn the
Oh, it's
other
not-
way.
Where am I?
You might.
Where am I? I don't know where I am. Oh gosh, I'm the white void. Oh, found it. There we go. Here I am. Whee! Just jump around. I'm a little jumpy guy.
Oh my goodness. He's
I'm
just
fun,
hopping
Jen.
around.
I'm
That's
fun.
so cute. Are you streaming this to the
Yeah, they can see it. They can see it.
stream?
Whee!
He's just hopping around.
He's just a happy little guy. Whee!
Yes.
Okay. Oh, and it's scrolling again. Hello.
Oh no, it's so broken.
It is.
Oh my
it's so
goodness.
broken. Uh-oh. Oh! I can save my game.
The other go to your database. I need to see something. It's still registering the other characters as...
Yeah, 'cause I cleared them, but now they're still...
Okay, I need you to change maximum. Go down to change maximum
Oh, choose
and set it to 1. Yeah. Alright, that should get rid of the other,
You guys like jump scares?
player bars. Possibly.
Okay.
Ah! It's so
Okay.
loud!
Okay.
There you go.
So I still got that weird UI at the top. And I still got jumpies. Little jumpy guy. Okay. But
UI, we could
is there a way I could get rid of this?
Yeah, so you could possibly change the graphics of yourself by going in, finding what graphic from, and changing them by creating a new file and renaming that file exactly the same.
Let's see. Okay, so
Enemies, default animation, scroll down. Alternative input.
we don't need movement by mouse click.
Turn movement by mouse click off. That's really messing with your map.
Mhm.
Yeah. Performance. Scroll down. Diagonal movement. Gamepad. Map scrolling. Oh my god!
What?
You have 2 map scrolling. That's why it's probably messing up.
Oh, I should probably disable this one. I mean, it wasn't working for me anyway. So
Okay, let's go back.
can I edit this? Can I edit the size of the map scrolling?
Okay, scroll up to the top again. Want to see?
Okay.
Show UI, player damage outline. Trying to see if I can figure out. Okay. Nope. Doesn't look like there's a spot where you can. At least in the top where I was looking. Where UI.
I'm actually gonna,
Icon images in Windows, maybe?
hold on, I'm gonna quickly see if the map scroll is fixed.
Oh yeah, let's check.
Okay. I mean, it's not breaking anymore, but it's not how I want it.
Yeah. Well, I feel like to get the kind of map scrolling you'd want, you'd have to event it and have different, like, rooms.
I can do that probably.
Completely.
I mean, I already have like events based on the
Right. So what you would need to do is you know how you have World War as this entire map.
Mm-hmm.
You would have to have each section be its own map, and then once you touch an event at the edge of
the screen, it scrolls.
the map, it will teleport you to a different. Right. So that's the only way I would conceivably believe that you would be able to do that.
I can try it. I can do like I can see if that would work.
But you would have to recreate the entire map.
Yeah, I know. So, or I could just copy this, and then paste. Oh, wrong thing. But yeah.
No.
I just realized.
Let
me get rid of test. Okay, so let me create a new. Width would be 15 and a height of 9. That's what I have as so far. I guess I could in general fix my whole map scroll issue by just making each world bigger.
Right.
I could bite
possibly.
I could bite the bullet and do it that way, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see how this looks though. So it's from that one to there, so
I don't know.
Here, you know what?
Oh my gosh, you can do that.
Here, actually, let me try something. What is the what? Okay, wait, no, wait, cancel. Game plugin manager. Let me turn this on. Okay, let me turn this off. So, oops, wrong thing. Oh, I don't know what I clicked. Oh, that's like a character creator. I don't want that. Okay. Jump scare! Okay, so if I do this, it should.
Oh, it's so loud.
It scrolls like that. So,
yes! There you go.
So, so how many is each thing? So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17? Is that right? 17 by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So it looks like you fixed your screen scroll issue. Right,
but like the thing is, it's like the width and height is not what I want it to be. Like I want it to be I want it to like I had it be 15 by 19. This is 17 by 13. That's what I'm trying. That's the struggle.
So right now, your aspect ratio, the aspect ratio of the game itself, you would have to change that.
Right. Okay.
So go into settings, I believe.
Where's settings?
Go, you see the little gears?
Oh.
Go to system.
I'm gonna turn display capture off for this specifically, just in case it pulls up my files.
I'm thinking.
Why Psychic? What's in that you don't want us to see?
Well, a lot of my files are school projects with my full name on it, so there's that.
Uh-huh.
God,
Yes, Jenny.
you can't.
I can't.
It's stuck. It's stuck on a specific resolution unless you find a
Plugin.
plugin that allows you to change the resolution.
Ugh, okay. Let's do some research. I've already tried finding plugins for this, but okay. RPG Maker MV plugin screen resolution, is that what I'm looking for?
Yes. I'm looking at a Reddit post right now. So, let's see. Yanfly's core engine plugin, but that might have an issue with your I don't think Yanfly's not. I think Yanfly is not free. Yeah. You can't do it within the core game engine. You'd have to either find a plugin or use Yanfly, which is not free.
Lovely.
Like I said, RPG Maker is very limited, and it's easy to use and very easy to learn, but it's very limited. Which is why you kind of have to like break the system.
Could I like program it myself somehow? Is that possible?
Yeah, if you figure it out. If you know how to like code within RPG Maker.
Let me see. I know a bit of code, not much. But
Do you know Java?
I know a bit of Java, I think.
There's like a weird proprietary version of Java that RPG Maker uses.
Ah, okay. Lovely. Perfect. Just great. Okay.
Hey, at least it's not as bad as the RPG Maker VX Ace, which uses a coding system called Ruby. And that coding system is very specific to RPG Maker. So if you know Ruby, you have to know the specific version that RPG Maker uses.
Cheese and crackers. Why is it such a problem to just like I don't feel like changing the size of the screen should be this big of an issue.
I agree.
Like,
sorry, I'm yawning.
no, you're fine. It's like I feel like it should be like a basic feature of the thing as in general.
I agree. They should make that a feature. You know. Although they've moved on from MV, so they're probably not going to add new features to MV. They're going to be adding those to MZ.
Oh, MZ.
Oh yeah. And then, see the issue with RPG Maker, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that you can either have a run system, or things that people have coded throughout the years, that you to assist in making your game, or you can have new features brought out by RPG Maker themselves. And you can't have both. because when they put out a new version, a lot of the old plugins will not work for that new version. So Yanfly's core engine, I don't believe is free.
Oh.
You can check.
Free starter pack or full collection for $30.
So check the free starter pack. I can see if that comes with the core engine.
Core engine.
Yep, okay, download it. Hopefully it does not mess with your ABS engine.
Free plugins.zip. I assume extract all.
Yes, so extract the zip file, copy it. Yeah, copy everything into your RPG Maker game folder. And then restart your game. And then go to plugins and activate the plugin.
Games, project 1. Copy the whole thing, and which file do I put it in? Just this one in general?
Just copy everything that's in the in that free plugin. So open the free plugins.
Okay.
Open that folder.
Copy everything?
Copy everything within that folder and paste it into your main folder. The JS folder, or the plugin folder? I might need to be able to see this.
Just
Okay,
put them
yeah.
on.
Is that all of it?
Mm-hmm.
Is that
That's my plugins folder, inside the JS folder, inside project.
everything that was within that? So there were no images?
No.
Okay. So when you look at the inside of the free plugins, so looks like there's some libraries that you need to copy over as well.
Some libraries? Where do you
Go
see
back.
that? Oh.
Go to project 1. Go to free plugins.
Okay.
It looks like it's just plugins. Okay, you should be good.
So save
Go
in.
to
Save and reload.
save and reload, and then go to your plugins.
Isn't this
This is
fun,
so
chat?
It's so silly.
Can you imagine me trying to do this without Jen? Oh my gosh. Okay.
And then add the plugins in.
Okay. So I need core engine.
So you need system. Yeah, core engine. Then you can change your screen.
Oh my
But you
gosh.
You need to know the exact pixel number.
Okay. Guys, who wants to count some pixels?
Hooray! Next we're gonna be counting toes.
Okay, so... Okay. Actually, this shouldn't be too bad. Actually, wait, no, I can do this easily. Because, okay. So, each tile is 48 by 48, right? Because all the images are 48 by 48, correct?
I believe so, yes.
Okay, so that means that the height will be 48 times 9, which is 432. And the width will be 48 times 15, which will be 720. Okay. Apply. Okay. Launch game. That looks pretty good.
So loud.
That looks pretty good. Hey, look at that! It works!
Hey!
And if I... Okay, so...
There you go!
It should be 1, 2, 3, and then the tip. Let me check here. 1, 2... Yeah! That's... Boom! We got the screen sizes fixed!
There you go!
Oh
we
my...
did it, guys!
We did one good thing! We did one good thing! Oh my gosh, okay.
75 minutes and
we've done this.
we got it figured it out.
So now what I want to do, so next step is just like whenever I like re-enter a screen randomly, like they should deload if I leave. Then I come back, they're back. They can spawn anywhere. I don't know how to do that yet, but you know what? We're working on it. We got one basic thing done. I still don't know how to walk on bridges. So you know what? We're just gonna make a. Oh, we're gonna make a temporary. There we go. So we can explore the rest of the world. Okay.
Land bridge going on there.
Okay. That was so much effort. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think next I should work on the combat system.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, no, yes. Any thoughts, Vault?
I think combat's probably your next
Okay, so what I need to be able
place
to do.
to go. Get a basic combat system and enemies and stuff.
Okay, so what needs to happen is when I enter a room, a group of enemies spawn randomly throughout on any walkable tiles. And that's like if I leave, they go away. If I come back, they respawn randomly. Does that make sense?
Okay, so that you may need. Yes, that you may need. I don't know if a plugin is what you need, but you may need to like look up a tutorial because I'm not sure how to do that. I am not all knowing.
The thing is, like, I don't know what to like search up for that.
What do you mean
I guess
you're not all knowing?
I'm not all knowing. I know a lot, but I'm not all knowing.
Let's see
I'm
here.
disappointed in you.
RPG Maker. Enemies respawn.
Random enemy respawns or something like that.
Screen reloads. On-screen enemies respawning options. You want to switch to reset all enemies and harp. Okay, so when I step into, so it should be like when I step into like it's like okay, so it could be like, oh, if I step into square 13 for the first time, I guess maybe or
when you step out of a region because you have your different.
I could,
screens set as regions.
Like maybe I could do something where it's like, oh, let me get like a different dark blue. It's like for this. That's the wrong one I was looking for. If I have this, where it's like, oh, if you step out of this thing, these ones load. Although, how would that work with the corner? Or I guess I could. Unless it was like, if you step into this, all of them load, and then it goes away until you leave that area. Because like, okay. I think I have an idea. So, what if it's like, hold on, let me save this. Titled 123 123. Okay, let me have a new thing here. So what if what if this? So it's like, let's say we're talking about region 13. When you step on 13, step on any of the 13s, it respawns enemies. Enemies. It deactivates 13 triggers. Deactivate 13. And then reactivates the triggers of all the areas around it. So that way, like that, and it's like no matter where you go to next, like enemies will spawn there also. Does that make sense? So like with 13, it would reactivate 12, 8, 14, 18. 12, 4, 14, 18. I feel like that makes sense.
So you're saying that when you step in a new region, it reactivates the ones of the surrounding regions. You want to be careful not to bloat. Because you don't want it to accidentally attempt to respawn everything in every region every time you move to a new region.
Well, yeah, so it would just reactivate the triggers where it's like if it gets stepped on, then the enemies spawn.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, no, you're right. That makes...
Right? Because, like... Is there so it's like... I should have, like, a flag for each trigger. It's like, when this flag is activated, it should spawn so many of, like, this enemy. And, like, maybe if there's, like, another enemy I want to have in that area, it spawns that many. Like, also. I just don't know how to make... And, like, it spawns them randomly throughout the screen.
I don't know how to do the randomly throughout the screen. I know.
I'm sure I can do, like, some sort of, like, random integer where it's like, oh, if tile is walkable, have chance to spawn enemy on it. Or something like that.
Possibly, yeah.
There's probably a plugin for it. Like, let's be honest. There's probably a plugin for it.
There's a plugin for everything. People are crazy.
Right, okay, so I guess we should probably start looking for that plugin. Oh.
Seems like a good place to start, you.
Unfortunately, I do have to leave. I have to go do more laundry.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, this is for you and me.
I know nothing about this.
Enemies spawn.
I'm sorry. I have to start packing to go see my family soon.
Who cares about your family?
In overworld. Let's see here.
RPG Maker is more important, because I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, okay, wait. Enemy spawner overworld. Basically, what I want to do is spawn enemies in random places in the dungeon floors, but with a fixed encounters, just if the player wants to grind for XP. That's what I'm looking for, right? That's literally what I'm looking for. It can be done with events alone. You'll need one master event that activates or deactivates placeholder events and do the randomizing. But for anything more complicated, you better
so
use a clone.
So basically, Yeah, there you go. That could work. Also, Vault, what do you mean? What do you mean my family don't matter? What do you mean? So basically, I have 3 spots where you would want a Oh,
There's some code.
this looks like it's for RPG VXAs.
Where am I? RPG Maker. Oh,
They said Ruby somewhere around here.
it is VXAs. Gosh dang it. But, I mean, I could probably... They're talking about how you can do it with flags. I can probably do it with flags, right?
Yeah, so what you would do, pick two, three random spots, right? Where you would want an enemy to be able to spawn. So, like, you don't want it to spawn in the ocean, for example.
So, like, okay, I'm gonna use... Let me just go down.
Pick 2, maybe that's where...
Basically, it's like, I want them to be able to spawn anywhere on these tiles. Probably not on the border, because I don't want them to spawn on a player, because that'd be unfair.
Right, so, pick, when I'm saying pick 2, 3 spots, I mean 2, 3 tiles that you would possibly want an enemy to spawn, and this would be, like, super, super, super simplified. Because of how small the camera is.
Right. Well, eventually, Like, hold on, let me load the game so I can.
And spots.
Sorry, jump scare. Eventually, I want like the screen to be like this, like, or like not around the entire thing, and like have like some UI down here, not on. The screen. I just don't know how to do that yet. And then like obviously like, the black borders will be filled in with like some sort of image, just like make it flow nicely. But anyway.
So like let me take a screenshot of this to show you what I'm talking about. So like let's say you walk in and you have a possibility of enemies spawning in like these spots or something. Hold on. Like these spots.
Okay.
You would have placeholder events in those spots that and you would have an event that the region of that area to call a random variable. Like, how many spots is there that I put there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 1 and 6, and if that variable ends up being like 6, and that like near the hook spot, or if it ends up being a 3, it'll end up being near the bottom. Those things.
Can I make it so like it tries to spawn
It'll just
on
take
like
that there to determine where it spawns.
So
So you would have a random set, like a assortment of certain tile events on there, and the enemy will only spawn in those spots, and then it'll have like movement where it'll just move around randomly. So it'll look like it's but they'll start in those tiles initially, and which tile they spawn in on will be like a.
So I
1 through 6.
Hey, Alpha, welcome to the stream. So like I can't. So like, what if I had like 12 something tiles, and like once 6 of them are filled by a random enemy, don't spawn anymore. Can I do that?
What do you mean by that?
Like, let's say like I like all these. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17 tiles selected with 255. Let's say an enemy spawns. Let's say I want 7 enemies to spawn. So then it randomly selects here, 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 and here. After that, can I make it so once those 7 random tiles are picked, these ones don't spawn anything?
Yes. So, like I was saying at the beginning, the event that will play once you touch that region, aka the region 13, not region tiles, but event tiles, i.e., what those little slimes are. Once you can have a common event that runs for each region that will run a variable, and that variable will tell those placeholder events to become the other kind of event based on numbers. So like you'll start one of the placeholder events like
I should probably like
if so and so variable equals, and then you put the rest of the event on it.
So I should probably like start working on the event editor.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. So content, we want it to be trigger.
And then once you touch any of the other like surrounding tile types, this is going to take a lot of eventing, I will say. Once you touch any region types, it'll automatically, like despawn despawn the event.
Right.
So
okay. So I want to.
And then once you touch the original tile type.
How do I control region events? Like,
Okay.
Let's
go to
I guess conditional branch.
Mm-hmm. Now go to, I think it's one of those. Go to 2. Go to 2.
Oh, 2.
Go
Sure.
go to, yeah.
No.
Okay, go to 3. Go to 3. I'm checking. Go to 4. This is interesting. I don't know where its region is seated. Give me a moment. I'm gonna open up RPG Maker NV myself. I need to figure this out. I might need to leave stream. I am getting very, very tired. Hey, look, you can see me in the corner opening MV. Okay, let me check. Let's see if I can find this.
Chad, I'm an expert at this. I don't want to hear any other people saying otherwise. I'm totally an expert at this.
Hmm. Let me check something.
Imagine just have like an event that goes the entire like circles the entire area. That'd probably be very inefficient and break somehow.
Probably. How? I am so confused as to how they expect us to use regions if there's no. Oh.
Let me Google something real quick. Looks like I'm gonna need a plugin to do that.
Of course.
Of
I'm
course.
so confused. Hold on. I didn't use regions in any of my previous look this up. RPG, your MV, need to use regions.
I want to trigger an event when the player enters this region. How do I do that? Use a plugin or parallel process for checking that. Parallel process. What's that?
That is an event. Hold on. Let's set this to parallel process and see if anything changes. So there is a plugin that you can use called, it's part of Yanfly's plugins. I wonder if it's part of that group.
Oh, that'd be convenient.
It would be called region events. Look in your plugin list and see if it's there.
Please. Plugin event or region events, you said? Region events. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Status on. Apply. Okay.
Now you can choose the region.
Oh.
Go into your plugin.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me make sure I can actually. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. So plugin manager. Oh, wrong thing. That's database.
That was the wrong one.
Okay, it's on.
Go to region events. Okay, so the region we're looking for is 13. Region 13.
Okay. So it's
Set to 1. Looks like you have certain event. So that would be a common event. So
Oh, okay.
go to let's do 3. Common event 3. 003. Or do
Okay.
4. Okay, that works. Okay, now go into your database. Hit apply.
Then I hit apply. I hit okay. I don't know what the
Okay,
difference is.
go into your database. Yeah, you're good. Go to common events. Go to
Okay.
3, and then that's where you would create. So when you press that region, it will run this event.
So the event should be spawn enemies, activate regions 8, 12, 14, 12, and deactivate region 13.
Yes.
So
So
I'll probably need
you would have to create the variable maker.
Mm-hmm.
So you would create a random variable. Go to control variables. Go to create a new variable. Go to 4.
Okay. Name, I guess it'll be spawn enemy.
Yes. Apply. Okay. And then go to random. And then put 1 as your lowest and 6 as your highest. And then hit apply.
Okay, I did.
Okay, now we're just testing to see if this will spawn the enemies, alright?
Okay.
We haven't done anything else for any of the other ones yet, so okay. Hit apply and leave. Alright, now we're gonna create little dummy
Can I edit one of these guys?
dummy events. 6
Oh.
dotted throughout that little area. Yeah, no, just like create empty events. Hit new and then click OK. Yeah. And then make 6 of them. 1, 2,
It's
3,
5.
4, 5.
Okay.
And then probably not there. Okay, now start each of them with a conditional branch. So conditional branch if go to control if variable 4 is equal to 1, and then the next one will be is equal to 2, is equal to 3, you know. And then do that for every single one of them.
Except move them up each time.
So this one is yes, so the next one would be if conditional branch is equal to 2. And then the next one would be 3. All the way up to 6.
Right. I'll probably need to streamline this because to do it for every single one will probably be a pain. But that's like that's a problem for another day. It's gonna be like that one screenshot from that one dev. I don't remember who it was. It was like if even is even, if 1 it's odd, if 2 is even, if 3 is odd, if 4 is...
Hi, Nixie.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a funny image. Alright, and then last one, variable is 6. Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then you're going to copy the little squash guy, the entire logic within it.
So this? Like that, just hit copy?
No, copy the logic within.
Oh,
no.
Oh, this stuff that we made.
Yes, copy that.
Is there a way to...
So start with the control self-V, all that.
Okay, so just copy this.
Yes, and then put that in each of them under the and then do that for each of them.
We're making progress. We're making progress. We're making progress. We're making progress. Okay, and now copy all this.
Yes. All of that.
It's probably a good thing we did start this off stream, because like this would have taken so much longer, I think.
This would have been a pain doing on stream. Okay. Then once you do that, you're going to need to go above. Go to one of the empty ones.
It's like here.
Psychic.
Yeah.
Go to one of the empty events. And go and click edit.
Like here?
The events!
Listen, you're cutting in and out. It's so hard to do this when you're cutting in and out. Like this?
The event.
You're cutting in and out for me. Yes. Okay. Go to control self switch.
Control self switch.
It's red.
Oh, okay.
It's under if spawn enemy 1 equals 1. It's in the
Like,
logic.
I swear to God, you are the problem.
Right
It is
click.
perfectly fine.
Left click actually and click add.
Left click, hit add.
Or click new. New. Yeah, there you go. Now go to control movement, which should be on the next page. Yeah, set movement route. There you go. And then go to change image. To that, yeah, this event.
Change image.
Make sure it's this event, not player. For the event, not the player.
This event.
Thank you.
And then
It should be under transparent on and transparent off.
Oh, there we go.
Down. There you go. And then change it to the image of the little slime.
Let me turn this off just in case. So, which was this one?
Monster. I think it's under monster.
There we
Yes.
go. Okay.
All right.
And do that for every single one, I assume?
But before that, go to the autonomous movement.
Autonomous.
It should be next to the image on the event above
Okay.
priority.
Random?
And set that to random. Yeah. And do that for all of them.
Alright, here we go, chat. Time to lock in. Set movement route. Change image.
Copy that.
Oh wait, I can just copy this?
Oh wait, no, You set that to the player. Go up to the top and edit that. And change it to... Yeah, there you go.
Oh, wait. That didn't...
And then copy that, and then you can... There you go, edit. You gotta go...
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
messing
delete.
up. I'm messing up.
Oh, no!
No, we're just gonna cancel. We're gonna discard changes to this event. We're gonna redo
This is
that.
so bad! Okay,
Okay. Edit this. There we go. This event. Okay.
Okay, and now... Copy that, and then paste it in every single one of them. Above control switch.
Okay.
Woo!
It doesn't help that I have to, like, pause and wait for you to finish what you're saying every time. Because apparently my Discord's broken. Okay.
Well, you're cutting out for me, too. Alright, make sure that you set all their movements to random.
Oh, right. Pfft.
Alright, let's test this.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, shoot! Set their... Wait. It's not gonna work. They're all set to action button. You just set them to parallel process.
Good catch.
There you go. Yeah, I know.
And... cancel. One more.
Can we get a Mike Wazowski named monster? Yes, we should.
Alright, here we go.
You should have like a little Mike Wazowski monster at some... Alright, let's see if it works.
So if I step...
So...
Oh! I leveled up! Somehow.
Okay, now stomp on one. Oh, they're not squashing. Oh no! Do you remember when we...
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh no! I know what happened!
What happened?
Do you remember when this happened? The first time we were the logic for that event? Do you remember how we fixed it?
I don't actually.
We need to go into the logic again, the movement route for each of them, and set it to this event, not that specific event.
That's what we did. We have it at this event.
Okay, no. Go to don't touch it. Go down. Go back. Go back.
Okay, go back
to
where?
Go to edit.
Okay, edit.
You see where go under else.
Yes.
Okay, do you see, hold on. Go to if level equals 1. Go up. Set movement route. Put there. Edit.
This event?
What the heck? What the heck? Okay, leave that. Leave that page. Okay. Go back. I was trying to figure out what's going on. Set that to this event.
Set what to this event? You can't just say that and expect...
Go back to the movement route. Go back to the movement route. No,
Okay.
not autonomous. Yeah, there you go. Go to event. Or to edit. And set it to this event.
Okay.
And then do it to the bottom one as well. Okay, now you gotta do that to every single one of them.
Should I get rid of these two guys?
Oh my! No, those two guys. Yeah, you can probably get rid of those two guys. Actually,
I'm gonna move them. Okay. So.
and then you had to fix them for each of those. That's a mess. Oh my goodness. I forgot that this event logic existed to buff LP.
So that I assume that's how I'm gonna be able to just, like, be able to copy paste everything without having to do this over and over again.
Yes.
I'll take it. If it saves me time later, I'll take it now.
That way, it's not squashing the same slime over and over.
Okay. Last thing is, how do I disable the how do I disable the 13 trigger after I've already stepped on it?
So you think that once you need to make the each of the tiles stretch one past, so you need to make each of the things like slightly bigger. The issue is that the trigger for the like respawning of the slimes is at the edge of the map, so you can accidentally turn the slimes on.
Exactly, which is why I need to turn the 13 off after it's been activated once.
I think so, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that.
Okay, where's the
So I'm gonna have to do that some other time.
Wait, where do we put the logic for the 13 trigger? Where do we put
Not today.
Where do we put that? Do we put it in here?
No, it's in a common event.
Okay, where's okay, so let's go. Okay, let's see. Common event. Okay. Is there a way to disable that? So disable 13 from here.
You could put a conditional branch. I'm not this. And my brain is turned off right now because I am starting to get like very, very tired.
Okay, let's do spawn enemy. It removes like a self switch. Self switch is on. Okay. If self switch is on, grab this, move it. Okay, fine. Cut. Paste. There we go. And then.
Okay, go to if self switch is on.
If self switch is on.
Go to if self switch is on and add an else clause to it. Okay. Click at the bottom.
Else do nothing.
Yes.
And then here, control switches. Is there a self switch? Where's self switch? There isn't. Oh, there we go. Control self switch.
Go down.
A.
Self switch is right there.
Boom. Okay. Save
See if
game.
that works.
Jump scare. So, okay. No enemy spawn. Touch here.
Please work so I can leave.
Nope. Nothing spawned.
Yeah, because you turned everything off in exact.
Did I turn everything off?
Go back into the common event.
Oh. I know what I meant. Okay.
And take the sun enemy.
Hold on, wait. I'm pretty sure it's just I didn't set it to on at first. So can I just like move this up top?
You can just fix that by switching it from on to off on the top and switching the bottom section to just swap them.
Oh, that works too, I guess.
Self switches off. Yeah, there you go. And set it to on.
Nope.
Okay. That's because you're probably using that self switch.
Somewhere else.
for the slime logic itself. So
Mhm.
use a different self switch.
Okay. So we'll switch. Let's say D.
Bless you.
Okay, there's a test option?
Nope. No enemy spawn.
Hmm.
Do I have to change this here?
Delete all the other logic in the comment event if it's just the variable.
So delete. Keep only this.
So just delete everything other than control variable. Yes, keep only that.
Try that.
Right now, hit apply.
Play Marvel Rivals.
Oh. Oh. I leveled up. Okay, so
Why is it doing that?
so I think it's only spawning one at a time, and then when I walk, it kills them. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm grinding, guys. I'm grinding up experience.
What's going on? Let's pause.
So I
Let's
have a
pause-
question.
Pause
Yes.
here for today.
Yes, Vol.
Why is your creeper white for your Minecraft launcher?
I don't know. I don't know.
Because it's a mod. He's probably using Optifine.
Oh.
If you're not using like the exact up-to-date launcher, so it will make it a different. That's what it looks like when I launch mine with CurseForge.
Okay, I think that's where we're stopping for today. We made some progress.
You've got a lot done.
I might.
I have no idea what happened here.
I'm gonna probably do a bit more progress off stream. Maybe I'll stream this again sometime.
Scraps, I am not good at this. I just I made so many like cursed Undertale attempts in RPG Maker whenever I was very young. So I have like an in-depth understanding of the logic of RPG Maker. But I'm also very, very bad at this. Oh, someone said Scrap said I did some mining of Stream Psychic.
What?
Scrap said I did some mining off Stream Psychic.
Oh yeah, I did some programming off stream.
I did some off-screen mining.
Yeah, so I did some off-screen programming, and here's the game it came out to.
Here's the
it's
whole
called,
game. I totally made it. You're just playing that one game.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like, hey, here's the game I made. I went in a completely different direction.
Yeah.
So download my game called Undertale.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yes, that's me, Tobias Vulpes.
Tobias Vulpes.
Why is the game in 3D?
Alright, you know what? We made progress today. And I might do this again sometime. This was basically just like a test to see if this would even like work as like a stream.
This is hilarious.
My pain is hilarious to Jen. This Justin.
Your
This
pain's hilarious
just
to
in.
me also.
I know.
Pain is hilarious.
Man, tomorrow's day 8, isn't it? So tomorrow we're gonna be streaming Codenames, and then I'm gonna be revealing the last 3 games. Or last 4 streams of 12 days of streaming.
Fun. I may not be able to participate in the last few streams because I'm going to be going to see family. Hooray!
It's okay, we found replacements for you, Jen.
I've been replaced?
You're replaceable.
No!
Vault's taking your spot in that one stream.
Picking up, I just bought the thing for that one stream. The Steam sale just started.
Sweet! I just moved my sprite over on screen. But yeah. See you tomorrow for Codenames, which you, pointing at the screen, you will be able to join. I should get a sprite that's just me facing forward, pointing directly at the viewer.
Oh my god, forward-facing Psychic would be horrifying.
Also, if you're doing Codenames and Ozone's thing, you should get just like a generic a generic PNG that has chat written over the face, and that needs to be the chat PNG for Codenames.
Yes! I can do that. I can make one.
You can make one for that?
Yeah.
I'd have to like move all the stream stuff over to that server.
It'll be fine. You could do it like in 10 minutes.
Okay. I can try. But wait, how would I do that with how would I do that for every individual person?
Oh, you're right, because you have to use the Discord names. You'd have to be editing it on the fly. Yeah, it wouldn't work. Darn.
Ooh, Mandelbrot's evil twin. What is this?
Yeah, that would be too much work. Making an individual one for every single person that might join.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. But anyway, that's what we're end stream for today. Thank you, Jen, for joining. Thank you, Vault, for joining. Pinball knows didn't show up at all. I guess Pinball joined for like a minute there, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm tired. I'll be signing off now. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.